Unlock the secrets to seamlessly convert your Expedia airline credits into remarkable travel experiences. First, you need to confirm your credit's eligibility and expiration date. Log into your Expedia account. Navigate to My Trips. Then look for cancellations or credit information. You'll see precise details about your airline credit, including the airline it's tied to and its value. Now, let's book that flight. Start by searching for a new flight on Expedia, ensuring the dates and destination you choose are flexible enough to match the fare rules of your original credit. This is crucial for successful redemption. After selecting your preferred flight, proceed to the payment page. Keep an eye out for a section labeled Use a Credit, Apply Airline Credit, or something similar. This is where you'll link your existing credit to your new booking. Once you click that option, Expedia will automatically detect and apply your eligible credit. You'll see the total amount due instantly decrease. If your new flight costs more, you'll simply pay the difference if it's less. The remaining credit might be reissued or forfeited depending on the airline's policy, so always double-check those terms. Complete all passenger details and review your booking thoroughly before finalizing. Just like any other flight reservation, accuracy is key here. Click Confirm Booking, and congratulations! Your airline credit has been successfully redeemed. You'll receive an email confirmation with your new itinerary, and you're all set for your next adventure. By following these simple steps, you can maximize the value of your Expedia airline credits and effortlessly plan your future travels. Happy flying!